How to use free Google Nano Banana AI. Step-by-step tutorial. Plus, retro style prompts. What is Google Nano Banana AI? 1. Nano Banana is the code name for Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, Google's newest AI image editing and generation model. 2. It allows you to generate images from text prompts. 2. Upload photos and edit them. 3. Blend multiple images into one. 4. Apply different styles, outfits, and backgrounds. Turn still photos into videos with VO 3. 3. Unlike older AI tools, Nano Banana preserves identity consistency. This means your face, pet, or subject looks the same across all edits. 4. It's integrated into Gemini app and Google AI Studio, making it simple to access and use. Why choose Nano Banana? 1. Free access. Many features are free to try, perfect for beginners. 2. Professional quality results. High resolution, realistic textures, and creative flexibility. 3. Easy to use. No design or Photoshop skills required. Just write prompts. 4. Creative freedom. Retro edits, futuristic looks, surreal dreamscapes, anything you imagine. 5. Consistency. Keeps your face or subject recognizable across styles. 6. Versatile formats. Works with photos, blended edits, and videos via VO 3. How to use Nano Banana, step by step. Step 1. Open Gemini app/AI Studio Plus update to the latest Gemini version that includes Nano Banana. Step 2. Choose starting point plus upload a photo or start with a blank text prompt. Step 3. Write your prompt plus be specific. Style, background, clothing, mood. Example. Make me an action figure in a vintage toy box with soft lighting. Step 4. Edit and refine plus try multi-turn editing. Change outfits, adjust background, tweak colors until perfect, etc. Types of retro and creative styles. Nano Banana is popular for retro vintage looks, but it can do much more. Here are top styles you can try. 1. Bollywood retro poster. Warm golden tones, dramatic outfits, saris, movie poster vibe. 2. Prompt. 90s Bollywood retro poster, golden light, red sari, dramatic shadows, grainy film texture. 2. Film noir. Black and white, dramatic lighting, mystery mood. 2. Prompt. 1940s film noir portrait, trench coat, sidelit, shadowy background. 3. Pastel dream. Soft pastel colors, dreamy lighting, romantic. 2. Prompt. Pastel vintage portrait, soft pink tones, dreamy garden. 4. Sepia golden era. Old photo effect, brown golden wash, textured background. 2. Prompt. Sepia style old photo, golden tones, slightly faded edges, etc. Conclusion. Google's Nano Banana AI is more than just a photo editor. It's a creativity booster. With it, you can make retro-style portraits, futuristic fantasy edits, or even full videos, all in minutes. If you love viral retro trends or want to learn step-by-step how to use AI tools, Nano Banana is the perfect place to start. The combination of free access, easy learning, and powerful results makes it one of the most exciting AI tools today. Subscribe my channel and share this video if you learned something new.